Even though the storm is moving a lot faster now, it's still heavy rain. It's pouring on very saturated ground.
And a lot of this localized flooding, it just kind of can crop up and very quick flash flooding. And with several more storms in the forecast over the next 7 days, it is excellent to see these crews getting out there and being ready to go in if they have to, if we do see that water rise in different locations. So let's get an overview here. We have a lot coming at you, a lot coming your way. I wanted to make sure that you see tonight and tomorrow we have this storm system we're tracking right now this very moment, a second one Saturday and Sunday, and then a third one next Monday and Tuesday. So when you're hearing about the flash, the flood watches, the flood warnings, it's also because we do have more storms back behind this one. So the latest update on this tonight that I really want to make sure you understand again is with that faster speed, some of our rainfall totals will be limited this evening. So a little shred of good news on that front, but it is coming down and hard. You know it if you've been out there. But again, this is moving at a very, very fast rate. We've had some of that heavy rain up into the North Bay, also San Francisco, and right now it's coming down over the peninsula. That orange, red is some of the heavier downpours. And as we put a track on this, what you're going to see here is Concord, Alamo, San Leandro, all continuing with that heavy rainfall here as we head at least through the next hour. More off to the south, you can also see that heavy rain over the bay and the peninsula. That's also moving towards Hayward, Fremont, Pleasanton as we move through the next hour. Now, we haven't seen a whole lot here in San Jose, but you can see how heavy things are across the Santa Cruz Mountains. That's also going to be pushing your way here as we move through 5:46 tonight, Alum Rock at 5:57. So a lot of different things happening again with that faster speed of the storm. I do think as we hit about 11 o'clock tonight, we may actually see a few spots that begin to break up and dry out with some isolated heavier pockets. We'll get a break overnight, and then by tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock, we're into some more heavier rainfall. We'll continue to keep some of these scattered on and off pockets as we roll through tomorrow afternoon, and then by tomorrow evening, we do expect this to move on out across the Bay Area. So when it comes to the totals, again, this evening, we're looking at 1 to about 3 inches. Notice the peninsula, East Bay and South Bay, you're in about that 1-inch range. Up towards the North Bay, could be anywhere from about 2 to 3 inches. Then we add on some of that rain tomorrow, and you can see how most of the Bay Area is good for about 1 to 3 inches when it comes to the storm. So right now, it doesn't look nearly as strong as what we had this past weekend. But don't let your guard down, because up towards the North Bay, this looks like what could be one of the more serious events coming out of these series of storms over the next few days. Russian River and Guerneville looking like it's going to hit 35 feet as we head through tomorrow and Friday. And look at this new information in tonight, Sunday and Monday. The potential for the Russian River to hit 40 feet, which is considered a major flood. So we know a lot of you up there in Guerneville and surrounding communities near the Russian River are, used to it when we do get some stronger storms, but you have to have that flood plan in place. Make sure you are thinking about that right now, because everything shows more storms are going to be on the way for us. Other spots we're checking in on, Napa River at Napa going to 20 feet as we roll through the next 2 days. That'll bring it close to flood stage of 25. Coyote Creek, 13 feet, flood stage here at 13 and a half. And again, another good reminder, don't try to drive through water. 1 to 2 feet can actually carry a car away. Okay, wind speeds 20 to about 50 miles per hour on average tonight. We should gradually see that wind step down. You can see it right here as we roll through tomorrow's forecast. Snow. That's the other thing. You're thinking about heading up there, change your plans. We're thinking at this point we could see anywhere between 3 to 4 feet as we head through the next several days. So on that 7-day forecast, you can see that storm system gives us a break here on Friday, second one Saturday and Sunday, then a third one as we hit next Monday and Tuesday. So very active. Again, I think the biggest thing right now is the worst of it is hitting at this point. And then we're going to get more as we head through this weekend forecast.
All right, Jeff, thanks so much.
You got it.